Good morning, students. Welcome in our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Online Education English Medium Standard 5th Maths. Today's topic is perimeter and area. First, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Suvarna Dilip Vadnere. Our administrative officer is Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam. Our nodal beat officer is Mr. Sharat Kurade Sir. Our nodal HM Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam, our Assistant Nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Madam, our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Burangule Sir. Let's start our day with a good thought. So, today's thought of the day is never lose hope in life. You never know what tomorrow may bring.
Yes.
Meaning of this thought, it means one great and simple quote on the hope, which tells us the importance of keeping alive hopes in our life. It is common for a people to become a disheartened by thinking about the negative outcomes in the future. No? That's
Yes.
However, no one knows exactly what is the future will bring to us
Yes.
coming days. No, so we should never feel sad or lose the hopes. Okay,
Yes.
so never lose hope in life. You never know what tomorrow may
Tomorrow may bring.
bring.
Yes.
Let's start our topic perimeter and area. In last lecture, we learned about the perimeter. Let's continue the area. What is called the area? Have you heard about area? How much area of your house? How much area of your land? Are you heard?
Yes, teacher. Area means of boxes of the houses and of the cupboards.
Okay, that having the space now.
Yes.
Yes, means that your room having a space inside that inside space. No,
Yes.
that is the area of your room. Okay.
Yes.
Here is given some rectangles and squares in pink color, blue color, yellow color. You can
Yes.
see. Means the pink square is big. Means it's having a space, a big
Yes.
space. So it's having a big area. Small boxes, small squares having the small area.
Areas. Yes.
What is the meaning of area? Exactly the definition of the area. The area of a shape refers to how much space is
Inside of it. Oh, yes.
inside of it. Okay, let's see. In last lecture, we learned about the perimeter, and here we are going to see the area.
Yes.
Let's exactly differ. What is the perimeter and what is the area? Don't get confused. Okay, what is
Yes.
the meaning of perimeter? The perimeter is the space around the shape. Okay, outer side around the shape. And what is called the area? The space inside of
Inside
the
of it. Oh,
shape. Okay,
yes.
both are different. Okay, perimeter means the space around the shape, and area means the space
Inside of a safe.
inside of the shape. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, let's hear also one example. There is an ocean. Inside the ocean, a lots of water
Oh,
means area
area.
is the space inside of the shape. And outer
Then
side there is a
perimeter
land.
around
Huh.
of around the space means this
Yes,
uh,
very good. Perimeter is the space around the shape. Very good. I think you got it. Now, one more examples here are given some shapes of the triangle, rectangle, circle, and pentagon. Okay. What is the exactly area of that figure? Means it having a space inside the space. These are the 2D shape, na? 2D shape,
yes.
not a 3D. Okay. Let's see about the area of rectangle and area of, today we are going to learn about area of
Square
rectangle and area
and
of square. Then what is measurement unit of the area? Okay, squares. So measure area, we use squares. Squares having the same sides now?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Let's see how we are going to measure the area of rectangle and square. Area measures the surface of a simple closed region. Means inside space.
Yes.
The unit area are the square of the units of the length. Means squares are, you know, the squares 2 multiplied by 2, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9. We learned now
Yes,
already.
yes. Yes.
Like that way the unit squares means centimeter multiplied by centimeter means square centimeter.
Oh,
Meter
yes.
multiplied by meter means square meters. And
Kilometer
kilometer
multiplied by
multiplied by kilometer means square kilometers.
yes.
These are the unit square. This is the unit
Unit.
square of the unit of the length. Okay, there are the two methods for finding the area. Okay, let's see first
Yes.
method. Which are they? First method is by counting the squares, and second method is by using the formula. Okay, first
Yes.
method by dividing the region into unit squares, small squares. Okay, and therefore thereafter counting the unit squares. Okay, small
Yes.
it having a 1 centimeter
Oh,
side. That squares having a 1 centimeter sides. With the help of these squares, we can count, by counting the squares, we can identify the area of that particular shape. Okay, let's see.
yes.
Here are given that 1 centimeter squares. Are you observed that graph paper?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Yes, graph papers boxes means a dark sides given for that box. It's having a 1 centimeter means that square has a 1
1
centimeter.
centimeter.
That by counting these squares, we can identify the area. Here is given the rectangle and one more shape is given. So in first figure, there are given how many squares?
15 squares.
Yes,
15.
15. Yes, 15 squares are given. In second figure, there is given
12 square.
12 squares. Means first figure, first rectangle has is equal to 15 square centimeter area. Okay.
Yes,
Means
15
second area of the figure is equal to 12 square centimeter.
centimeter. Yes.
Okay. Got it? Let's
Yes.
move one more example. Now tell me, this is a figure of square, no? It's
Yes.
divided into how many squares?
4 square.
4 squares, that every square having 1 centimeter
Yes.
side. Then what is the area now?
Area.
This
4.
square, how?
4 square
Yes,
centimeter.
very good, very good. 4 square unit is there.
Oh, 4 square unit. Okay.
Yes, 4, 1 minute, 4 square units. We can write
Okay.
4 SQ. This is the abbreviation of the
Yes.
square.
Square.
And
Yes.
centimeter. In this way also we can write
Okay.
4
Yes.
square centimeter. And another way also 4 centimeter square we can
Oh.
write.
Mm,
Okay.
yes. Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Now, next, what's the area of this figure now? Tell me.
5 square centimeter or 5 square units.
Yes, very good. 5 square units.
Yes.
We can write 5 square
Centimeter.
centimeter also.
Yes.
Or 5 centimeters. These are the ways for writing.
Yes.
Next one. Here one more figure is given. Now let's count all these squares.
12 square unit.
Yes, area of this figure is 12 square units.
Units.
Very good. 12 square centimeter. Okay.
Yes.
That's very good. Now next, one more example is given by counting the units. Counting the unit squares. Find the area of simple closed region. How many squares are there? Now count it. Yes, already there is given area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 25 square centimeters.
Yes. All
And we
square
can write that square SQ as an abbreviation and centimeter CM. Okay, in this way we can write.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay. Yes.
Now one more example. Let's see these, observe the figure and find the area of given figure. Each square is equal to 1 square centimeter. Okay, each square is equal to 1 centimeter. Now, I told just now, no?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
And each triangle is given means a half square. No?
Yes,
If you
teacher.
divide
Yes.
the square into the half, that is become that triangle, no?
Yes.
Equal half square centimeter. Okay, we can write that half. Okay, half square centimeter.
1.2 square. Yes.
Count the green colors squares. How many
Teacher,
squares?
it is matlab 13th. 14th, teacher. It is 14th.
4. See here in this way 2, 3, 4, and here also 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, and over here is a 14.
Yes.
This total squares are 14.
14.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8,
9,
9,
10, 11, 12,
12,
13, and
13.
14. 14
Yes.
squares. These whole squares are 14. And this one is a half square. And this one is a half square.
Square. We
Means
have to
two
add
half
it.
squares.
2 plus 2. No, sorry. 1 plus
Yes.
1 is called.
When we add a half plus half, then it's become a 1.
Yes.
Now, so 14 plus 1 is equal to 15
15
square
centimeter.
centimeter. Got it?
Yes.
So, what is the area of given figure now?
15 square centimeter.
Good. Let's see next one. What we learn here, remember counting units square. Remember this first point is for remembrance. This is an important point. We ignore or do not count the squares that are less than half. If the less than half square is given there, okay,
Yes.
ignore it, do not count. If a square is more than half, we can count the area as 1 square unit. Means as a full square, we can count that. Okay, more than half square. These 2 points you have to remember it while counting the square. Half
Yes.
it's become a 1. But less than half, do not count. And more than half, you should count into the full square. Got it? Now, which are the 2 points for remembrance? First point is
We
read now.
ignore.
We ignore or do not count the squares that are less than half. And second point is if a square is more than half, we count the area as 1 square unit. Got it? Yes. Now, next, second method by using the formula. Okay. Second, let's see the second method. This formula of area of rectangle and area of square. Let's see area of rectangle first. A rectangle has a length and breadth, na?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, length and breadth. The rectangle has a length and breadth. Here is the length is given 7 centimeter. See length is more
Yes.
than breadth.
7 units in centimeter.
Every time length is more than breadth, and 7 is given here,
Centimeter.
length,
7.
and 5 centimeter is given here, breadth.
3.
Okay.
Yes.
So area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. This is a formula. L is an abbreviation and B is an abbreviation of the breadth. L for length, B
Oh.
for breadth. So B
Yes.
is written here in short. Area is equal to length multiplied by
By
breadth. So
B
let's
is O.
7 multiplied by 5. Yes, students.
7 5
Ha,
35.
35. 35 square
Squares units
units.
of squares
Okay,
unit.
square
Yes.
units. Units, if there is given the centimeter, then you should write the centimeter.
Centimeter also. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
yes, good. Now, this is the rectangular figure. Rectangle PQRS, area of rectangle PQRS is equal to 35. Okay,
Yes.
if there is given the centimeter, then you can write here square centimeter. Okay,
Yes.
as a unit.
35 square centimeter. Yes.
Yes, 35 square centimeter.
Centimeter.
Let's continue. Now, one more example. Method using the formula area of the square.
Yes.
Now tell me the formula of square.
S is equal to the
9
length.
and 81 square centimeter.
Square. Square has the same side.
Same
If there
size.
is a 2 centimeter, here also 2 centimeter means all sides are same.
2 centimeter.
Means side multiply by side.
Yes.
Okay. Every side is same of the square. No? So here
Yes.
is side multiply by sides. S for the length
Sides.
of the side.
Yes.
Okay. So find the area of square having side of length 9 centimeter. Here is given 9 centimeter. Okay.
Yes.
9 centimeter square. Then if we take the 9 centimeter square, see one more square I drawn here, 9 centimeter square, then what is the area of that square?
We have to draw area, I guess, inside.
Yes, multiply, side multiply by side. This is the formula. By using this formula, we have to multiply 9. Side is a 9 centimeter. Na? So 9
Yes.
multiply by 9 and its answer is
81 square centimeter inside the
yes,
box. Yes.
81
Okay.
square centimeter. Okay,
Yes.
got it?
Yes.
Yes. Here is given 81 centimeter square centimeter. We can write here 81 square
Centimeter.
centimeter square. In this way also you can write.
Oh, yes.
Next one. Here is given the square and here rectangle. The length and width. Length is more than width. Every time.
Yes.
See, this is a length and this is a width.
Width.
L for, we use the L for length and W for width. Means breadth and width is the same. Okay.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
When we multiply the length and width, then we got the area. And here also when we multiply by side, then we got the area of the square.
Yes. Area means inside
Huh.
of inside.
Yes, very good.
Hmm.
The inside space of that
Yes.
figure.
And perimeter is the outside.
Yes.
Look,
Yes.
the
Okay.
Perimeter means around
Good.
yes.
But just we learn about the formula of the rectangle. Now tell me the formula of the area of rectangle.
Area of
Yes.
breadth and length.
Length multiplied by breadth or width.
Width is equal to area.
Okay. And what is the formula of area of square?
Area of square is 5 multiplied by 5.
Not side multiply by, side multiply by side.
Side.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's find out now. Here is what's the area. Here is given one rectangle. It's having a length 6 feet. Okay. This is a
Yes.
length. This is a length and this is a width 1 feet. Now
Yes.
write down first the formula. Length into the width is equal to area.
Area. We
Then
have to
put the
multiply
numbers.
by 6 multiply by 1.
Okay. Length is
6
a
multi-
6.
Yes.
Width is a 1. So 6
1.
multiplied by 1. 6.
6. Area is 6
Feet square.
6 feet square
We can
centimeter.
write 6 square feet also.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
6 square feet.
Huh.
6
Okay, understood?
6 square feet.
Huh. Now, what's the area of given figure? This is a figure of square. Then
Yes.
we should use here formula of square. Square also
9.
is having a
Teacher
side
name.
multiply by side.
Yeah.
Yes. 3
Multiply by
multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. It means
Yes.
9 square centimeter
3
inside the
multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So,
yeah.
area of the square is 9
9 square
centimeter
centimeter.
square or square centimeter.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay, square centimeter we can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next, what's the area of given rectangle now?
Yes. 4 we have to multiply by 4. We have
First,
to
you should
multiply by
write
2.
the formula. Okay,
Yes.
then put the numbers. What is the length of the rectangle?
Length is 4 centimeter, 4 meters
4. So, 4 multiply by,
by
what is the
2.
width? 2.
2.
Then
4
4 multiplied by 2 is equal
8
to
area.
8.
8.
8.
Then I have to write here.
8 square 8 square
Yes,
meter.
squares.
Meter.
Meter is there, so use the meter.
Yes.
Square centimeter.
We can write here 8
8 meter.
square.
Yes.
Okay, in this. Next, remember this
Area.
formula now.
Rectangle is help
Area
multiply
of rectangle is equal to length and width.
length multiply by
Area of
breadth
square is equal to side multiply by side.
by square.
Okay, very good. Here is rectangle and here is square.
Square.
Okay, a rectangle, area of
Length and width.
rectangle, length multiply by breadth. Length is more than breadth. Every time you should remember it.
Yes.
So, L for length and B for
And B for breadth.
breadth. So, length multiply by breadth. This is the formula of area of
Of
rectangle.
Rectangle. Yes.
Okay.
Of
What is-
squares side multiply by side.
Yes. Now, the
S
formula of square is side multiplied by side.
side S. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
So, what you learned today?
We learned about area
Very
of rectangle and square.
Okay. Very
Mhm.
good. Let's see. Here is some tips about area.
Yes.
Okay. Some tips here is given. When you finding the area of a shape, the answer is always squared. Okay.
Yes. Square.
When you finding the area, when you finding the area of shape, the answer
The
is
answer is
always
always square.
squared.
Yes.
Okay. For example, here is given if there is a area of that particular land,
Of table. It's the table, I guess. So
50 square feet, then you should write down here
50 feet square. Yes.
square feet. In this way also you can write, and here 50 square feet.
Square feet.
Okay. In this
Yes.
way also you can Right.
Yes.
Okay. We learn about the methods of the counting area. First method is by counting the square.
And
If we
second
find out
is
the
by
area,
multiplying by square.
By breath.
we seen now by counting the square.
Yes.
See here.
Multiply by breath and the third by
This
breath.
is the first method by counting the squares.
16th.
By
Yes.
counting. And second method by using the formulas. Okay.
Formula is multiplication.
Yes. The formula of the rectangle, area of the rectangle, L multiplied by
By
breadth.
Let's
Breadth
by breath.
multiply by
we
breadth.
can write. Breadth and
And
width is the same.
yes.
Okay. And formula of area of square.
Square
Square.
side by side means side multiply by s multiply by s.
Yes. Side multiply by side.
Side.
Got it, students?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now, in this way also, by using the graph paper, you can calculate that area of particular shape. Okay.
Yes.
By using the formula, we can find out the area of big space. Okay, big space. It's the limitation for the graph paper, no?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Small. It's a small. For counting the big space, so we use the formula.
Yes.
Okay. So what we
Miss,
learned today? Which two tips you have to remember?
Uh,
Hmm.
Of
Miss,
the
मेरे को
rectangle length and breadth and square side side by side multiply by
Okay, this two, and in
formula.
counting method, you should remember it for
Yes.
a
And
half.
multiplying.
Half square plus half square is 1 square. Then less than half square you cannot count.
Yes.
Okay. If more than half square, then you should count into the full square.
Yes.
Okay. For this method, you should remember it.
Yes, it's
These two tips for counting you should remember. And here
yes.
tips about the area. When you find the area of the shape, the answer is always squared. And
Yes.
feet or 50 square feet. In these two ways, you can write.
Yes.
मेरे को पूछना है.
Students, got it?
Yes, teacher.
Then here
Yes.
is homework for you. Find
Yes, fine.
area, the length of each side of each square given below. Find its
Yes.
area. Okay? You
Yes,
should
fine.
find the area of the
12 meters, 6 centimeters, 25 meters.
Okay.
Yes.
For the square, you should use the formula side multiply by
Multiply by side.
side.
And yes.
Then use this numbering and find out the area of the square.
Yes.
पूछना है.
Yes, beta.
यस मिस मेरे को ये पूछना है कि यहाँ पे अगर 5 रहेगा साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 में then will be 5 and downside 5 then we
Yes, square का same होता है. Yes, square have same
Yes,
size.
beta. If there is a 5 centimeter of the side, then you should multiply by 5. Multiply by 5 is equal
Yes.
to 25 square centimeter.
Centimeter. Yes.
Here is a centimeter, then you use here centimeter.
Yes.
If here is a meter, then you should
Meter.
use the meter. If
Yes.
here is a feet, then you should
We
use
have
here
to use feet.
feet.
Yes.
You have to use here feet. Okay?
Yes.
Got it?
I understand. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Students, thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Thank you, teacher. Welcome.
Stay safe.